my viewers. Today I'm going to show you how to make fried eggs because I really don't care what this channel's about. But you're going to need eggs, and cheese you don't really need, and cooking spray, and a pan. So first thing I'm going to do, take the egg, I'm going to get a towel. What you're going to do is break the egg. That if you're good like me, you can do it with one hand. Oh no. Never mind. Don't break your eggs like this. Break them with both hands. I can't do it with one. Alright. That's one egg out. Ew. Oh yeah. Big rule, don't lick your hands until you wash them. Because raw eggs contain salmonella, which is toxic. Well, not toxic, but it'll get you sick. Let's get another egg. I always have two. But, okay, I forgot the first step, which is where you put cooking oil. So we're gonna have to improvise. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the eggs into a bowl first. And, alright. Hopefully this will still work. And then take the cooking oil. Do it like that. Pour it in. Alright, this step is done. And just put on the oven and cook it. So yeah, that's how you make fried eggs. And then you put the cheese in as it's melting, and you should be good. And just wait maybe, 5 minutes is usually how long I wait. And your eggs should be cooked. So enjoy.